Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss to part 19th Human Resource in Laravel 10. Already my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist inside 18th video already uploaded this playlist inside this Human Resource in Laravel 10. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started. This started Apache and MySQL I already started. This st.doc folder inside this my project name. This sr means human resource. This open the Sublime text editor. Your text editor open this project. My project Sublime text editor open. Composer JSON file open. This PHP 8.1 and Laravel framework 10.10. This latest version. Let's check localhost PHP my admin successfully good working. This PHP version 8.1.2. This project name is SR. This SR project name st.doc inside this SR localhost SR. This SR login form successfully. This project working good. Less.env file check. This database name is SR. Let's check database name is SR successfully available. This database inside this user table open. Successfully open this user table email chat and this password. This 0 means employee, 1 means SR. This 1 means SR login. Copy this email ID and paste here. This password is the hash password means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and click this signing in. Click this successfully login this password and all set. This employee set, job set and job history. Today I am discuss to job history step by step. Set this job history. Let's copy this job history menu. Let's open the resource inside view inside backend inside layout inside sidebar. Successfully open this sidebar. This available this job history. This job history available. This job history. This copy this URL and click this copy URL and click this successfully available this URL. Copy this URL and route open this web.php. Successfully web.php open in this available job. Route get this route get and job history. Let's job history start. And new controller create job history controller. Job history controller create. This controller create the job history controller. A class inside this index function create. Index function create. Let's create controller job controller inside this backend inside this job controller create job history controller create app inside http inside controller inside backend inside new controller create job history. Let's create this PHP. Successfully create this controller is blank. This open this all, copy this and paste here and name sense this job history name, copy and paste here and this remove this. Model is already set this. In index function this remove and new function create this job history. History spelling copy and paste this and small and data is the remove. Let's create this new file job controller, create this job controller. Inside new function, create this function name is index. This index function inside this backend, inside new folder, create backend. Inside this backend, inside new folder, create new folder, create this folder name is create job history. Inside file name is create this list blade PSP. Successfully create. Let's hello, save file and refresh this page. Successfully good hello available. And this job folder open. Inside this list file open. In this copy this div, copy and paste this form as it is, this div copy. This container search bar all copy and div set this and div and section set. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully set this job history. Successfully click this is not a active button. Let's active button start. Let's sidebar file open, sidebar open. Inside this active button set @if request segment 2 is equal to job history. And this menu is active and if and refresh this page. Successfully job history set. Menu active job, click these jobs in this active menu and again this job history, click this. Successfully active menu. Let's step by step name change. This job history file open, this job history new file create, already this open job history set, and this job history add and this add. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully set job history and add button job history. Let's click this add button. This route add admin job history add. Successfully good. Let's add button, click this add button. In this new route create this admin job history, create new route, create this route, create web.php route get job history model is this controller, copy this controller and class this index this add file. This add file new function create job history. Inside new function create public function and this copy this and paste here, add this name new file, create this function, add this name, this add name, this name add function in this new file, create add. Let's new blade PSP. Successfully blade PSP hello add, save file and refresh this page, all save file and refresh this page. Successfully good working. Let's step by step add form set. First of all new table create this add set, show again successfully set. First of all new table create, table name is job history, database name base name. This database name is ASR. This database name is ASR, and database name is ASR new table. Create new table. Create table name is job history. This new job history to new table create. First of all, this ID add. Second, this employee ID means employee ID. Third, start date and end date, and this job ID and department ID. All new table create inside the job employees ID, start date, and date, job ID and department ID. This job ID table name. This table name is this table, jobs table available. And this employee table name is user table. This only user table. User table means employee available. This employee is only 0 means all employee. 0 employee. Zero is employee, start date, end date, job ID and department ID. Let's start new table. Create this job history table. Create small size. This click this new, and this ID job history inside this table. Create first of all ID and job ID. First of all, this ID, job ID, start date, end date, job start date. This I will add 3 add, this 3 add, the 3 column add, start date, end date, job ID, department ID, and created date and not available, 1 column add. Go this click button and update the date. Successfully set. And this varchar 11, this primary key, and this go button create and auto increment. Successfully auto increment this 11, and this null available. This date format null, date, start date and date, this null, job ID integer 11, and this null, department ID, varchar 255, and null, and create date and time, and date and time, null and null. All step by step set. Successfully set this job history. And auto increment means AL short name primary key. Then all set date, null and integer, all it is, and go button this save. Successfully table create this job history in this available. All step by step set. Let's create table name is job model. Create job model. Model inside this new model. Create job model. PSP history and job model. Successfully create job model, and this copy and paste this, and this name is job history. Rename, copy this name and paste here this job history. This table name is job history. This available this database and job history table name set. Successfully set job history. Let's copy this name job history model, copy and open the job history controller. Inside this, paste here, and this model copy and set this job history controller. This add model inside this, successfully add. Let's step by step add form set. Let's open, refresh this page. This good working. Let's step by step add form set. First of all, this job add file open and Control A copy job controller, job add file open, Control A copy, and this close file and paste here. This paste, and this name sense, this name is job history. This job history name add. Job history add. Let's check again, refresh this page. Step by step add job history, and this add the job history name, add this route. First of all, this employee ID means drop down, this remove. Select class form controller and option value null in employees set, and this start date this start date and num date. Start date add. This required, and this remove placeholder, successfully remove, and end date end and date already available. This all fill and date. This date add, this end date, and this remove placeholder. This end date in this job admin, this back button, this job history. Save file, all successfully set, and this two name add this job. Refresh this page. Successfully to set employee set, and this date set, date speaker set. This click this date speaker, and two name sense this employee name. This remove job title employee name and copy this and paste here this job ID means job name, circle job ID. This name available, this name already set this job ID, and open the this menu, set this name is employee ID. Copy this and this paste here. This department ID, department department ID, this otherwise department name circle is department ID. This save file and refresh this page. Successfully set HTML department ID, job ID, successfully HTML set. This job ID means this job get record. This job get record. Let's step by step. This get record add this controller, add this index $data, this add file $data get jobs is equal to job model, already add job model, add and get and save file and data, this pass data pass. Successfully data pass. Again this refresh page is not a dynamic file. This job name not a dynamic, this static name, only static name this file, add file this static name employee, this remove job, this static name. Let's check this static name job. This table is dynamic name set. This all name step by step set. All name job title inside. This job model already set. This job model successfully available. This job model. Job model available. Let's select job name and refresh this page. Successfully set job, select job name and foreach loop start and foreach already passed this variable. Copy this variable dollar value is value job and foreach and option value this id, add this value id, this table id, add this table job table, this job table, inside this id add and copy this variable and paste here and this job title. Successfully job title set and refresh this page. Successfully all values step by step set. Let's check. Successfully available this value, this dynamic value set. This dynamic value set. Let's create this new job. This new job create, add management salary 4 and 500. Let's management add new job and job history set. This management add and refresh this page. Successfully add this management. Let's again job history check and click this add button. Successfully this management available. This new create. Let's step by step employee name set. This employee name. This user open the inside this employee means 0 is show this employee. Let's start. Open this data already passed, get employee is equal to this user model already set, this model inside this user available where role is available, role is equal to only 0 get 0 means 0 get 0 set, this 0 set, this employee means 0 set. Let's copy this variable and data pass this missing, successfully set. Copy this name and this add button, click this and employee name will select employee name. Foreach loop start at the foreach, and this variable already create is value employee and foreach. Option value, copy this variable and this id add, this id add and name set, this name is this name, copy this name and value set this name. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully all set, this 00 all set, this yellow is not show, this add is show 0, this 20 show, this 20 show, this dd not show means once available, this dd not show, only 00 available, this employee, this first not show, this yellow not show, this one available, only 00 employee show, this name in second, this last name, copy this and last name and copy and paste here and save file and refresh this page. Successfully set this second name, first name and second name set, this already add this second name, this Mindra available, second name available, this 00 remove. All successfully set this department name, add this department name, this employee inside this department, this static name available, this step by step dynamic, this department BDM select and developer department, this department employee inside add blade PSP, copy this option department name and job history, add open file and successfully set department name, development department and BDM, this static name, this step by step dynamic name set. Next video, this static name all successfully set, this dynamic list, click this and add job history, successfully set, this date speaker set, this date speaker set and this name set, this dynamic set and this dynamic set, this set to name, all step by step good working. This job successfully set, this sidebar set, route set, this model set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. Thank you.